Every nation on earth has one thing in common, a flag that tells their story. 195 nations, 195 stories of identity, struggle, and pride. Welcome to the ultimate journey through all the flags of the world, hidden stories, symbols, and secrets. This is your preview of an epic 30-minute journey across every continent, every flag, every hidden meaning. We begin in Africa, where 54 nations share the Pan-African colors of liberation. In Asia, ancient symbols meet modern nations, from Japan's rising sun to Bhutan's thunder dragon. Europe's flags tell tales of kingdoms, revolutions, and the birth of the modern tricolor. From the Arctic to Antarctica, the Americas showcase stars, stripes, and symbols of independence. In Oceania, island nations blend colonial heritage with indigenous pride. Even Antarctica has its story, the only continent with no official flag, yet united in scientific cooperation. But every flag hides secrets. Why does Mozambique have an AK-47? What's the math behind Brazil's stars? Discover the hidden connections. Why do so many flags share the same colors, crosses and stars? Watch flags evolve through revolutions, independence, and the birth of new nations. See flags raised in triumph, painted on faces, and flying over historic moments that changed the world. Test your knowledge with interactive quizzes. Can you spot the twin flags? Which flag has a gun? Challenge yourself to identify countries from just their symbols, or find the only square flag in the world. Learn the stories behind independence movements, the meaning of every color, and the secrets hidden in plain sight. Imagine all 195 flags flying together in harmony. Different stories, one world. Each flag represents millions of people, thousands of years of history, and countless dreams of freedom. This preview shows just a glimpse of our complete 30-minute journey through every flag, every story, every secret. Which flag surprised you most? Share your country's flag story in the comments below. Subscribe now for the full documentary and more amazing stories about our world's cultures, symbols, and hidden histories. Until next time, remember, every flag has a story, and every story matters.